Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fixing this Ryobi battery that no longer takes a charge with one of these basically electric car battery charger and maintainer deals. There are ways you can make a charger to charge one of these up if it's not taking a charge, but I found it's easier just to use one of these, and a lot of people have these laying around. Basically, so to get the battery open, you have to take this little piece off that covers this screw right here. It's just a little cover. You can take that out with a pick. And there's basically 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that I've already taken out. Basically, you need a security bit. I'm using a T-10H. Basically, it's like the little star with a hole in it. So let's get these screws out here. And these batteries come apart surprisingly easy. I thought it was a little bit harder. Take this off here. Let me show you what it's doing on the charger before I take the top off. Let me grab that real quick. So when I put it on the charger, basically the red light blinks saying it's defective. And it just keeps going. It doesn't stop blinking. Usually that's for one of 2 reasons. Either one of the cells in this battery went bad, and there's really not much you can do at that point. Just recycle the battery, basically. Or it's because there's a surface, you left the battery on a tool, it drained it down, and now it's so drained that it won't take a charge. And that's usually because there's a surface charge that needs to be on it for it to accept the charge. And a lot of times that surface charge has gone down too much. So there's the battery. As you can see, it goes through, the charger would go through here. The circuit board is what you need to bypass, essentially. So there's let me find it here. Basically, you just have to identify which one of these is the positive and which one is the negative. And then you basically connect your battery charger to it. So let me look that up real quick, because I don't remember exactly which one. I know it's written on here somewhere. And I'll get back with you. Alright, so this is the positive, this is the negative. It'll say G and D for like ground next to the negative one. That helps you remember. So I'm going to plug in my battery charger. Just going to turn it to a 6-volt mode. And then I've got my positive, which I'm going to put over here. Let's see, that little tab came up there. We'll just put that back down. Don't pick it up by the tower. Positive's hooked up. And then we'll hook up the negative. As you can see, this green light will turn on. It starts blinking. Now it's full. Turn to 12-volt mode, see if that does anything. Back on the 6-volt mode. And it's blinking. And now it's solid, which means it's charged. So hopefully that means we've put enough of a surface charge on this thing. Just going to let it sit for just a second. Now we'll take it off. May do it one more time. Just to make sure we got enough of a surface charge on there. Blinking. And now green. Now what we'll do is we will kind of try and quickly see if we can get this back together. put it in here first. There you go. Get these things back on. I don't remember exactly how these go on as far as getting the top back on. There we go. Top snaps back on. Moment of truth, we put it on the charger. And there we go. Now it's blinking green, which means it's charging. So I'd call this project a success, guys. I'm just going to let this charge. Then I'll put my screws back in. And this battery's good to go. If you guys enjoyed the video or got any comments or questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. If you're enjoying the content or if this was useful for you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. I'll catch you all next time.